violas. This is instruction on excerpt number 5. This is an excerpt from Peter and the Wolf. At square 16, this is the fingering I'm going to do is 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. The last note of the line is a C sharp, so that's a low 1 on the C string, of course. So I'm going to start out with a high 1, then normal 1, a low 2, and then the low 1. The next measure, I'm going to do the first part of it in half position. So I'm playing 2, 1, 2, and then that funny looking note is a B sharp. That's the same as open C. So then I play open. So I'll go back to the beginning of the measure. 2, 1, 2, open. 1, open, 1, and then a low 2 for the last D sharp in the measure. So 1, open, 1, 2, and then the next one is 2, low 1, normal 1, normal 1, E flat, so that's a low 2, and then open D, low 1, then another low 1 for the C sharp. The next measure is first finger, third finger, fourth finger, open C. That's that weird note. That's the B sharp, so it's open C. The next note is C sharp, so that's a low 1 on the C string. And then B sharp is the same thing as C, so that's third finger instead of a high 2. And then the last note is C sharp, so that'll be a fourth finger right next to it. And then open. Then third finger. Okay. The next line, what you have to remember is that the C sharp on the bottom and then the treble clef, it's very intimidating when you look at it, but it's not that hard. The top notes, which is the one we're going to play, is a D, just third finger on the A string. And then the bottom note's a C sharp, and I'm going to do it with the fourth finger on the G string. Whoops. And then at the end, it goes back into alto clef. So it's gonna. This one is just important to go through and say the note names. If you need to mark half steps and whole steps, that's not a bad idea either. Okay. This is a practice tempo for the Viola Excerpt number 5. I put my metronome at 72. It counts us off in 4. Just remember that there's a pickup note, so we're not gonna start playing on the downbeat. We have to come in just a little bit sooner than that.
1, 2, 3, 4.
So let's kind of regroup, and we'll do that one more time. Again, my metronome is set at 72.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Right, this is Viola Excerpt number 5, and this is going to be the performance tempo. We're going to take a swing at this at 102. Quarter note equals 102. The metronome counts off into 4, and then there's the pickup note into the downbeat. We'll see if we can be ready in time to get this done.
1, 2, 3, 4.
So we'll give that another go. Same kind of thing. Yikes. The metronome is going to verbally count to 4, And we have to be ready for the pickup note into beat 1.
1, 2, 3, 4.